So Neuline is an ambulatory EEG company. Most people think that actually just relates to seizure activity, but it doesn't.
We have patients that have dementia or migraines or seizures. So what our test does is we go into the patient's home, we connect them, we test their brainwaves for 3 to 4 days so we can see if there's something that triggers the patient.
It's a direct-to-consumer test on delivery. So we work with doctors order the test, and then we go straight to the patient's place of residence to perform the test. When there are neurological issues, most patients really look at our test at the utmost of importance. And so we provide a lot of information about the test. Now that patient has a benchmark for where they're at from a neurological perspective.
This is a test that all of these patients need, but at the same time, it shouldn't be difficult for them to get their results and to have these studies. We were at the mercy of former companies. We had to use their parameters. It just wasn't revolutionary. It didn't lead the way. It didn't go further.
I needed what our physicians needed. So we decided instead of going to another platform, let's create our own.
But it really came down to who do we feel will communicate with us the best. You know, when things go wrong in the project, as they will always go wrong at points, can we work with a company that is transparent, that is willing to take ownership? And Aezion was actually head and shoulders above the rest.
I still remember the day when we first met with Neuline and listened to their vision of success. And I knew it right there that if we built this right, it would just make a lasting footprint in the EEG space. But it was not an easy task, to be honest. Not only do we have to compete with an industry leader who has been building this product for 20 plus years, but we also needed to make sure that what we bring in is a perfect technology stack that would be powerful, reliable, usable, and scalable.
The process working with Aezion has been pretty seamless. We sat down together as a company and we created an entire manual of all of these things that we've wanted throughout the years from working with other companies. And pretty seamlessly, Preek's team was able to go through and make all of these things come to life.
Creating our own software, we actually took back a significant piece of our daily operation that is now within our control. And we're looking with Aezion in the future for integrations with some of our other platforms so that we can not only continue serving our clients well and patients well, but also increasing the overall clinical and financial value of Neuline Health.
Aezion promise is simple, right? We get it right, we make it right. Our promise plus our healthcare expertise and a team with a lot of persistence and passion has helped us build this product in just over 8 months.
They have a good foundation. They have a good core of team members from all aspects. So you may bring your idea, but they do have a great team to help build your idea into what you want.
So once we created our own software with Aezion, we went from just providing a service to truly becoming a service provider.
Our tagline is leading the wave in ambulatory EEG, and we really do try to do that across the board, and that's what we're doing with Aezion.
We built great partnership with Neuline, and I could see this will only grow from here as we continue to be a great guide for them in supporting their business and the platform.